a lot of those, unfortunately. Take your pick.
What's up, man?
Boys, you know what date it is?
It's
Fucking
fucking snap on
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Fucking snap on Wednesday.
Liquor and whores, liquor and whores, the cigarettes and dope and mustard and bologna, liquor and whores. When I was down, drinking at the
Snap on Wednesday, bitches. See if I can't walk away without buying a fucking toolbox.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I don't think so, but maybe. I don't know who that is.
You think you might actually buy one today or what?
I don't know. I've been thinking about
I think you should. I think you should.
Alright.
It's so nice out today. I'd rather be outside than inside, that's for sure.
And somebody commented that it was always raining on Snap
Yes,
on Wednesday.
I know. Well, it is for the
not
most
today.
part of it, yeah. No, it's awesome today. I love it.
It's raining tools.
It's raining men.
Whoa. Stop it.
What is that?
No,
Cordless floodlight, 18 volt. That's new. I've never seen that one before, Tyler. That's pretty cool.
Now it takes the big batteries.
It's a big battery, the 18 volt.
Like
Yeah.
Hunter's gun. You could use
Yeah.
that.
That thing's cool.
Brand
3,500
spanking new.
lumens, eh?
Really?
That's cool. I like that.
Holy cow.
That is a badass light.
Yeah.
Cordless.
There's a part number on that so people can see that. There you go.
Sorry.
That thing's cool.
Signal.
I haven't even seen that on the internet, so you're the first one to show me this now.
That's awesome.
Brand new on the market.
That's cool. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, in orange.
We
Oh,
do
it
have
is.
Standalone.
I
do
don't
you?
see your long handle one here though.
Rechargeable.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got the hair dryer.
Really?
Hair dryer.
my wife wants one.
Or is it a heat gun?
No, it's a hair
Oh, it's
dryer,
a
man.
hair
Oh shit, it is a real hair dryer. Cordless.
No, I don't think so. Is it? No, it's got a cord on it. Cordless. Could you imagine? It's got it runs off a 14.4 battery.
That'd be a great idea.
That would be a great
set
idea.
Of tools I'd have to sell you to take home to keep your wife happy. Whoa. I mean, a curling iron.
Oh yeah.
Cordless curling iron.
See, Snap-on's gonna watch these videos and they're gonna be like, "Oh, we need to make a curling iron now."
If we made a hairdryer, it doesn't make a curling iron.
It's just in, yeah.
Oh, that's badass though. Yeah. Jacket on clearance.
It's a nice jacket, actually.
It is a nice jacket. I'm not like a huge jacket. See, I like mine. I got the one with the high vis inside,
That's the same one. It looks like the one that.
like Hunter has.
Yeah.
I just said that online.
Cunter.
Hunter.
Well, thank you.
Oh, there you are. Where you going? Mullet madness has arrived.
Mullet madness.
Mullet
What are
madness.
these?
Oh,
Valve core tools.
Oh. What's that?
What are this?
Oh. Oh. We'll
Oh,
put that
that's
back.
not entertaining.
I don't
at all.
want one of those.
oh, he's starting.
oh, shit.
He's starting.
It's happening.
Jordan, you're the only toolbox in the shop that's not a Snap-on.
I have the smallest toolbox in the shop.
Oh, that too, yeah.
I do have some box empty. It's hard not to when there's a.
They're in my garage, sitting there looking for a good home.
How long have they been there?
I think if I come home with one, I'll be looking for a new home too.
You're not going home with one.
No, it's staying here.
Yeah, exactly. What are you worried about then?
Toolbox. What are you talking about?
I don't know, the three of them came in over the last couple months.
Oh yeah.
Obviously, at the beginning of the year, I wasn't really out selling toolboxes.
Right.
So
Yeah.
I piled up in my garage. Now they gotta get out of there. I want my garage back.
Like your actual home garage.
Yes.
Oh man.
I don't have a shop.
Oh, okay. Well,
Just make an
storage
island in your
unit, or I
kitchen.
don't know how big your
What's in
storage
that?
unit is.
All snap-on, a whole snap-on kitchen, all the drawer, all the cupboards for all the cutlery and shit.
I've
all
seen
snap-on
that.
boxes, just
I've
fucking
seen,
looks good.
I never
yeah,
had it did that.
for an island.
You got a white box.
Yeah, it's
Looks
so nice.
really good.
Seen pictures of that online. I think that's cool. Like I've mentioned it to my wife before, and she's been like, and show her a picture of that white. Probably this might be the same one, white toolbox in the middle of
Yeah.
like for an island.
It looks slick.
And she's like, that is cool looking.
Yeah, it actually looks like something you'd have in your kitchen.
Yeah,
It's all
nice
clean.
stainless stop on it,
Yeah.
or you put the wood chop block on it.
You got plug-ins for all your stupid beaters and shit your wife uses to cook your food.
Are you assuming that the woman's supposed to cook, Jordan?
No.
So true.
Are you assuming your wife's gender, Jordan?
What? I don't think she's my wife. No.
Oh man, this world's going crazy.
Very much is.
I am looking. I think I might grab some PWZs today. I'm not sure entirely what size.
I'll deliver your box on Saturday.
What do you think the payment on something like that would be?
Which one?
Well, if I'm gonna get one, it would probably be the nice one.
The nice one.
They're all really nice. Well, this
Where
is
are
the same
the
as
hammers?
Jesse's, correct? That size?
Hammers.
Hammers.
No. This one.
Hammers. I don't know.
That one is? So this one's smaller than that one?
This one's bigger.
The good hammers.
It is deeper and taller.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where he has them on here.
This one is deeper.
I can't remember.
Longer.
Fucking so stuffed in here.
I know.
Yeah. This is 54
Hammers.
wide, 54 wide. So
You want the 40 ounce? Is that what you're going
Yeah.
This is 24 inches deep. This is 30 inches deep and 30 inches deep. Whoa.
Phil.
No, I'm kidding. But yeah, the penny would be hanging there like that
That's pretty cool. Wow.
because they are matched. I don't have any pennies.
It's magnetic. He doesn't tell anybody that.
for?
It only works with nickels. Oh.
I don't think pennies are ferrous metal, are they?
I don't know. It's just Tino.
Nope, that one. So you learned something new today about the features and benefits of our pliers.
Dude.
Learn something new every day.
That's why you can never have enough pliers.
No.
Holy fuck, this drawer's heavy.
That's a lot of chrome.
It is. Holy
Yes, it
shit.
is.
Hey, what happened there?
Oh no. Little feller's all by himself. Oh, there's the extension I got.
That was your missing one.
I gotta stop losing those fucking things. But you just can't beat the wobble one.
No. You really can't.
No. Actually, I think these actually tilt a little bit more than the normal wobbles. The wobble pluses. I
Sure.
think. It feels like it does.
Are you more happy with them because of that?
I'm happy that
Then
they,
we'll go with it.
I'm happy that they stay straight when you want it to, and then it wobbles the other way. Yeah. Cool. Well, let's clear up what I owe you, and then I will get back to you on fucking kick-ass toolbox that I wish I had already.
We can make your dreams come true here. It's not one.
Damn
Fuck
rights.
Fuck yeah. So right here, I'm not coming home. I'm sleeping with my toolbox.
Yeah. Joel's taking me home tonight.
Joel's taking me home.
Typical dealership. Everyone's standing around while one guy works. Hunter, what'd you get today?
What did I get today?
Yeah, what'd you get? I'm stoked. I didn't see.
I got pliers. The proper plier set.
Oh,
Because,
nice.
fucking garbage. Besides this one.
You're gonna like these side cutters.
Yeah.
And these. Oh, baby. In green too. You're the new Manny.
Yeah.
Did you get a hammer?
Yeah, I got a hammer.
Oh, hey, what happened to the other hammer?
What happened to
Oh,
the other hammer? It's fucking going over there.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. The 40 ounce.
Proper fucking hammer.
That is a nice hammer. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Starting to fill up that hammer drawer.
A little bit.
One hammer at a time.
One day at a
Good
time.
job. Good job. Good job. All right, guys. Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday. Obviously, I'm just going to make this really quick because I'm busy and I got to get on with my day. So I got myself a new hammer. This is the 8 ounce. I'm slowly trying to get rid of all the other Mac ball peen hammers that I have in my toolbox. So I'm trying to go complete Snap-on because I do love these hammers. They are awesome. So other than that, we got the PT850 hair dryer. Not for me, of course, because, you know, I don't need that, but you know, the wife, she wanted one, so I'm gonna take it home for her and she can have it. I don't think there's anything else. Hold on. For those of you who have not seen it yet, if you've seen the video, I will put if you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link in the little cards up here. But I have my fucking power drawer, and I am extremely happy with this thing. It turned out awesome. So thanks for everybody who commented and all that kind of stuff in the last video. I am so happy with it. It's so cool. Other than that, I think that is all we got for today. So yeah, there's nothing else. Remember, you guys can check me out on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, Vero, or whatever the hell that thing was. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Snap on Wednesday video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out. We miss you, Manny. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.
I met a girl, she was nice, she was pretty and pleasing. She said, hey boy, we should do some marrying. And I said, sure.